What's up guys, it's Logan. So I'm back with another video today, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I basically just keep the maintenance upkeep on my locks. As you guys know, I retwisted my locks with aloe vera gel about a month ago. At this point, I retwisted them back in February, like the beginning of February, and right now it's like February 28th, 26th, I think, somewhere around there, 27th. But first I want to get into like just basically some housekeeping stuff. I want to show you guys the style that I'm rocking today. I basically just got my Love Wraps headscarf. You guys know I get all of my headscarves or head wraps or turbans or whatever you want to call them, scarves, from Love Wraps. You can find them on Instagram. I'll link them somewhere on this video. But I get all of my scarves from there, and that's basically just what I'm wearing today. It's a pretty easy, nice style. My hair is just in like a ponytail up under this, and then I just wrap the scarf around it. I just wanted to come and show you guys because the scarf is very, very stretchy, as you guys can see. Like, look how far I'm stretching it just with it on my head alone. It's a good alternative if you guys have like short locks and you want to conceal your locks entirely. You can easily wrap all of your locks up in this. So if you do want a alternative to be able to conceal your locks really easy, or you just want a really stretchy headscarf, and you could go and get this from Love Wraps. So yeah, that's basically the style that I'm rocking today. And to get into the point of this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I style my locks after I've retwisted them probably a month ago, and I just want to kind of stretch my retwist to last a little bit longer. Obviously, like, my roots are still pretty good, but just to make the retwist look a little bit more fresh, I'm just going to kind of braid the end of this ponytail and just show you guys how they look afterwards. It's a big difference, and it'll make it look like my retwist is 100% fresh when it's literally like a month in at this point. I do want to kind of brag on the aloe vera retwist that I did. If you guys haven't seen that video, that's what this style is. Basically, I just retwisted my entire head with aloe vera gel from a whole aloe vera plant. So I just took all of the gel out of the aloe vera plant and then just applied it to my locks and retwisted with that. No other products on my locks, and literally the retwist has held up for a whole month. So I was very, very surprised. I wasn't expecting for the retwist to hold up for anything longer than like a week or a couple of days, honestly, just because if you guys know, like, the solution inside of an aloe vera plant isn't sticky or it's not like a regular gel. It's literally like retwisting with water. So for me to have done this with aloe vera gel and the retwist still is holding up, I'm very, very surprised. I'm happy about this. I would advise everybody with locks, so literally, if you have any type of hair texture, I would advise for you to at least try the aloe vera retwist. And like I said, you guys can check out my video to see, how I went about those steps in doing that. But I want to go ahead and just make this retwist last a little bit longer. So in order to do that, I'm going to be braiding the bottom of this ponytail and then taking the braids out tomorrow morning and then just showing you guys that. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for the braiding. I just wanted to come and show you guys this style again because it's a really quick, a really instant style. Let's say like you're in the middle of the week and you just want something new or a new look for your locks, and it's like the middle of the week, you don't have a lot of time, or it's like the weekend and you don't have a lot of time, you just really want to get a quick style in. This is my go-to quick style. Like I said, as you guys just seen, it just took me about 10 minutes to do this entire thing. If I was braiding my locks from the root, it would have took probably like an hour, over an hour, just to braid each lock from the root. So to put it in like a ponytail and just braid the ponytail, it gives you an instant style. Also, I'm probably going to take my braids out tomorrow just to show you guys the texture that it leaves, like the after effect. But you could also just leave these braids in for the rest of the weekend to give you two whole different styles. I wear my braids like this, and like the ponytail at the top and then like the braids. I wear my hair like this for my graduation pictures when I graduated college. So like I said, it can give you a good style just with the braids. But then once you take the braids down, it'll give you a whole nother style. So it's just a really quick way to style your locks, and it'll give you something that's out of your face. It's really convenient. If you want to freshen up like the front of your locks too, let's say the front of your locks don't look as well as mine do right now, you can also just spray a little bit of the water over the front of your locks. Just the water alone is gonna kind of like just mold your hair to like lay down more. So just spray your hair with the water. A little bit of oil is in this bottle as well. I just tasted it. Wow. Spray your hair with a little bit of the water and oil, and then just simply wrap your hair down and sleep on it. Once you wake up, your hair be like laid down real flat or whatever, you know what I'm saying? That's basically what I'm going to be doing right now. I'm just going to be putting this wrap back on my locks, wearing my locks in the braids for the rest of the night or rest of, until the morning. Once I wake up in the morning, I'm going to go ahead and take the braids out and then just show you guys the after effect to just show you guys how the entire style looks.